Bonjour. How to make money online? That's the question. How do you make money online? There's a million ways, a million people are saying that you can make money. You can make it selling products on Amazon, or maybe you can start a consulting business, or maybe you can sell products on the internet, or maybe you can, come up with a great idea and go viral, or become a YouTuber. There's a million ways, but what I'm going to show you is the easiest way to simply use a computer to make real money online. Now, I've been running an internet business for the last few years, and this amount of money, this is how much I make every single day. This is $10,000 in cash, and that's what I make in my business every single day. Now, I want to invite you to a training session where I'm going to show you exactly how I make this much money and how you can too. In fact, I'm actually going to be giving all of this away if you attend the free training. And I'll be showing exactly how to make this money. Now, the goal is to have a business where you simply use a computer and an internet connection and you're able to make money. No sales, no product, no shipping, no crazy legal things. Now come here, check this out, and let me show you exactly what I'm making each day. So here is just one of my accounts. And as you can see, every single day, making thousands of dollars every single day. Now, if you look at how much money I earned last month, I earned $339,000, 579, okay? Over $10,000 every day. And as you can see, I've almost hit the same, I'm on track to hit the same number this month. Look at this, look at this. $299,000 so far this month, and it's not even the end of the month. Now, I'm going to be showing you, this is your invitation to a free training. I'm giving away money on this training because I'm so excited to show you how you can free yourself from the job or earning an hourly wage or a monthly salary that society tells you you need, but they're wrong. So come to this training and I'll show you exactly how you can use a computer and nothing else to earn money online. Look forward to seeing you there.